everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison. If you're new here, let me take this opportunity to say I welcome you here and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you have continued to support me throughout my journey here, I thank you guys so much. Today is about a vignette and it will be displayed in my kitchen space. I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by Antoinette of Decorating with Aunt's Place. Now, each month she will have a different co-host, and her co-host for this month is Antoinette of Simple Yet Chic. Now, this is something that Antoinette of Aunt's Place has come up with, and she's going to do it monthly, and it's Antoinette's Vignettes. So, today's vignette is all about the lemons. When life gives you a lemon, make a vignette. Or I can say, when life gives you a lemon, make some orangeade. But you guys, I'm going to share with you how I am going to create this vignette here. So come along and decorate with me. So here you guys, I'm going to start, and I'm just going to use my butcher block here, and I am going to place this sink mat that I picked up, I think from maybe the Dollar General. So I'm going to place this here, and then I am going to place this here, and this beautiful picture here, I also picked it up from the Dollar General when I saw it. Perfect color, beautiful lemons. I didn't quite know what I was going to do with it, but this is perfect. And this beautiful vase here, I don't know if you can see this beautiful vase. I have placed these little lemon picks in with this beautiful greenery that just drapes so well on the inside. And I think I picked this vase up from maybe Target. I don't quite remember, but when I saw it, absolutely gorgeous. Just one of those pieces that I needed in my life. So next, I am going to place this cloth here, and it's just a kitchen towel, and I've just folded it over in such a decorative way. I'm just going to place it here. And then we're going to take this little lemon plate here and place it in one of these little easels. It's all about the lemons. But, as I stated, if you decide you don't want lemonade, make you some orangeade. And I've just placed these little orange bouquets in here with the boxwood greenery and a little filler. So I'm just going to place those in the rear as such. And these are in these little pictures that I picked up from pictures from Target. And I'm going to just place one on each side. Limoncello. So just gonna sit back there. And then this little lemon pick here with the greenery. I'm going to place it right in here. And this is how we have created a vignette. When life hands you lemon, you can either make lemonade can sit and be bitter. You can give up. You can push forward. Or you can get creative. Or even you can make orangeade. But don't give up. Life is a challenge each and every day that we are allowed to wake up, place one foot before the other, open our eyes to be able to see, hear, taste, touch, smell, all blessings. All blessings. So, if and when life should deal you, peel you, or roll you a lemon, squeeze it, make some good lemonade, cut it up at night, add it with water, and drink good cold water in the morning, lemon water in the morning, or squeeze it into room temperature water and drink it first thing in the morning, or toss it to the side and make orangeade. This vignette is part of an open collaboration that is hosted by Antoinette of Ant's Place and her co-host. I will have both of their information listed in my description box below. Please go over, pay them a visit, show them love, and check out the playlist link of all of the other creators. Hey guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. I do appreciate you taking the time to check in to see what's going on over here. And in my description box below, you guys, I am going to leave the link to Antoinette of Decorating with Ant's Place, along with Antoinette over at Simple Yet Chic. Their information will be in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. You guys, we are coming together just to give you ideas as to how you too can create a vignette in your home by using 3 or more pieces to create any space, decorate any space of your home, your outdoors, wherever it is you choose to put a vignette together. So you guys, I hope you've enjoyed. If you're new here and you like what you have seen, I would really love to have you as a part of my family. And all you have to do that is simply hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos, which I have quite a few that will be coming out in the month of June. So please stay tuned. Now here I like to do tablescapes, shopping hauls, DIYs, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. So pretty much anything that you can think of in your everyday life or that you choose to do around your home, that is me. I love home decor in any area of the home, and I love creating a beautiful tablescape. So you guys, I love to have you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, check out the 2 Antoinettes and the playlist link of all the creators. Be blessed, and I do thank you so much for stopping by.